apparently there is this misconception that once you have shares, then every year you have to get dividends because of those shares. This is not true. So some companies pay dividends and some do not pay dividends. Dividends are basically payments companies make to shareholders for owning shares in their company, more like a return on investment. And dividends are usually paid from the profits the company made. There are two factors involved. First, the company has to make profit, and then secondly, the company has to decide, that is the board of directors, they have to decide if they will pay out that money, either part of the money or the full money as dividends. Now, most companies pay dividends regularly, and the companies that usually pay dividends are companies that are already mature in their industry. So, because these companies are already at a stage where they do not really need to reinvest more in the business, anytime they make profit, they would most likely pay out dividends. And in Nigeria, we have companies like MTN, Zenith Bank, and on the global stage, we have Coca-Cola, Johnson and Johnson. So these companies, they are really mature, and because of that, when they make profits, they don't really need the money because they are not reinvesting anymore, or they are not really making any significant big expansion. So because of it, they can easily pay out dividend every time. On the other hand, we have some companies who don't pay dividends. Now, this is not a bad thing, because these companies, their main reason for not paying dividend is because they still need to reinvest in the business, because the company is really at the early stage and the company is not mature yet. The company is still growing. For example, companies like Amazon. Amazon has never paid dividend, but the company has been expanding. The company has been reinvesting. The shares has also been rising. Even companies like Tesla. So these companies, they still need this capital. So instead of them to pay out this money to the shareholders, and at the end of the day they will still need more money to invest, they will rather reinvest this money and expand the business further. And when they do that, the value of your investment as a shareholder will also increase in value, and you can sell these shares at a higher price. In terms of choosing which one to invest in, it depends on what you want to achieve from your investments. So if you are looking for a company that, or an investment that will pay you regular income, then you might prefer a company that pays dividend often. But if you are looking for long-term investments for capital appreciation, then you might prefer a company still in the growth stage, because you expect that the value of your investments will appreciate in the future. So in summary, it's not all companies that pay dividends. Just make sure that the one you are choosing matches your own investment strategy. If this video was helpful to you, like and share, and follow for more finance made simple. I'm Olivia, a chartered financial analyst, and I'm here to make everything finance simple and easy for you to understand.